Okay guys, so here is your Padlet that will have all your assignments on it. I'm just going to start at the top and work down. So at the top here, you have my email that you can contact me at any time. Then moving on down, there are 5 tabs for this week. Normally there would be 7 tabs, but because this is a short week, we only have 3 days, therefore fewer tabs. The first one is a how-to tab that will also later have resources in it. And then you have 1 tab for each day of the week. So this week we have a Wednesday, Thursday, and a Friday tab. And then lastly, if you scroll over, you will see that there is a next week tab, and that has some resources that may be helpful to you the first couple days of next week so that you can get ahead over the weekend if you would like. So coming back over here and going down, the first thing in your How-To tab is a note on how to turn assignments in online. So this is if you have an assignment, it is on your computer, you would like to just turn it in. You may do that. You just go to this link, you click on the link, and it brings you to the English 5 and 6 Google Drive. Then you can go to your documents. You can choose whichever document that you would like to add, and you just click on it, and you drag it over, and you drop it in here. And it should say starting upload and upload complete. There's your file. Please make sure your name is on all assignments so that I know that it's you. So going back to your Padlet, followed by that is a column for each day. You will notice that some things are in this yellowish orange color, some things are in white. The yellow-orange items are due that day, so either you will complete them in class or they will be due for homework. The white items, such as here where it talks about outlining, on Wednesday we will be learning about outlining in class. So there is a video that reviews what we learned, and there is a sample outline that you can use as you work on your outline that is due on Thursday. We already covered how to access links in here, so this is how you access a document. You scroll down, click on the document, and it will come up. You can view it here, or you can download it or open it in a new window. To go back, you just push on the arrow. So in brief, that is how you use Padlet. When you are scrolling up and down, you must have your mouse on this column. So I cannot scroll on Wednesday's column if my mouse is over here. That's just a quick tip. Don't forget to check this. You can have your parents check it. It does not require a login. So I hope this works for you, and I look forward to seeing you soon.